With the sunshine season just around the corner, are you ready to make a splash? If you're dreaming about summer days spent by a gorgeous, modern pool, we've got you covered. We are delighted to present the Great Lakes Fiberglass Pool from San Juan Pools. The Great Lakes is more than just a swimming pool, it's a perfect blend of elegance and cutting-edge design. Nestled within its stylish rectangular frame, this pool boasts extraordinary features you're sure to fall in love with. For starters, it includes a chic set of corner entry steps and shallow end bench seating, adding a unique twist to the traditional pool layout. But that's not all. The entry steps are thoughtfully positioned next to a spacious tanning ledge, an ideal spot to add a handrail, umbrella, or even a water feature. The design freedom is entirely yours, enabling you to create a look that's as elegant and individual as you are. If you have a large backyard waiting for some summer fun, then the Great Lakes Fiberglass Pool might just be the perfect addition to your home. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.